Hi, welcome to Heritage Grove, the only single-family home community in Calhoun featuring maintenance-free living. Experience a range of thoughtfully planned leisure amenities, from resting by the pool to exploring scenic walking paths. Whether you're unwinding or staying active, you'll find the perfect balance of relaxation and recreation. Plus, with lawn care and maintenance included, you'll have more time to focus on what matters most, living your best life. At Heritage Grove, our floor plans are intelligently designed with you in mind. Enjoy the ease and convenience of having a laundry room located on the second floor. No more lugging heavy baskets up and down the stairs. With 4 distinct floor plans to choose from and up to 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, you'll find the perfect fit for your preferences. Need flexible spaces? Whether it's a first floor guest bedroom, a dedicated office or study, or even a cozy loft, you can customize your home to match your lifestyle. One of the best things about Heritage Grove is its unbeatable location. Just minutes from I-75. Centrally positioned between Chattanooga and Atlanta, you're also a short drive from both Calhoun to the north and Adairsville to the south. And before you head out, why not fuel up both your car and your appetite at Buc-ee's, conveniently located right off your exit. You'll also be just moments away from a variety of local dining, healthcare, and entertainment options. When you're in the mood for a shopping spree, the Calhoun Outlet Marketplace is just minutes from home. Or explore Calhoun's charming downtown, filled with unique shops, local restaurants, and exciting events at the Harris Art Center or the Gem Theater. For your everyday essentials, grocery stores like Kroger and Aldi are conveniently around the corner. So, what are you waiting for? Join the interest list today for exclusive updates, early access to floor plans and exact pricing, the first invitation to tour the decorated model homes, and the earliest opportunity to become a Heritage Grove homeowner. We can't wait to welcome you home.